Alrighty, here we are. So we are headed for Hell's Revenge. We're gonna run up here. We've got a bent control arm. Bent or broken. I think it was bent yesterday and it's broken now. So we're gonna run up here and weld it back together and get them out of there. I got Shawn with me. He's eating over here.
Pizza?
Yeah. I got a burrito on the dash, so I'm filming so that I can then eat. I got you.
Bent that lower control arm right there. Goes in there.
We've got room around it, right? You've got a couple inches around that bar everywhere?
Oh yeah, that should be
Not
fine.
gonna hit anything?
That should be fine. All right, perfect.
that in there. Weld it up. That ought to get it fairly back together. I can stitch that in. I think we'll be good. Yeah. Remember when I ordered a steering box that didn't go hydro assist because I was like, we're not gonna need it on this truck. You would consider it? Yeah, there's some thoughts. It was right about 2 years ago, wasn't it, Shawn? Right about 2 years ago, we brought this out for the first recovery to get that yellow side-by-side.
Yeah.
And we're airing down tires and struggling to get this thing to run. That carburetor was popping and sputtering and coughing.
Nice. Didn't even slow down.
Having all these issues to get this thing. 2 years ago, we were like, I think this is going to be a good thing. And yeah, struggled the whole way out here. Fought it the whole way back. And now look at it.
Yeah, come to find out, you throw a bunch of money at it?
Yeah, if you just throw money at it, just about anything works pretty good.
Yeah.
You know, everybody dogs on me for picking on Big D. Because it's a Ford, so I pick on it. But everybody gets mad because they're like, I like Fords. You should, Chevys are crap. And then they'll insult Chevys and whatever. And it's cool, but I've had multiple people say, if you put half the money in Big D that you put into your Chevys, you've had a good record. If I put half the money into a shopping cart that I put in these trucks, I'd have a great tow truck. I think you underestimate how much money I've put into these trucks.
Yeah.
I put a lot more money into Trailmater by shortcutting it. By like trying to use cheap parts and junk stuff laying around. And then I finally said to heck with it and just spent the good money, and it was way better. So then when it was time to build Old Blue, we're like, let's just spend money instead of piecing and parting and welding gears together and stuff like that. Let's just throw lockers in it. You can just flick a switch and they work.
Yep.
This seems weird.
We made it back to the parking lot.
We're out. A beautiful sunset right there. Yeah, it is very much warmer in here than it would be in anything else. Save Mini-Mater. Mini-Mater doesn't have a welder. Yet.
It's gonna happen.
Yeah. Actually, I just got notified that it's shipped today.
Nice.
Oh yeah. Anyway, so we're heading back to the shop. So there it is. Yeah, pretty quick and easy little weld job. Get it all back together and get them back on the road. And yeah, we're gonna get out of here and call it a day because we've been running all day. So thanks for watching, guys.